minister.
Hey! 70 years old man.
Festa do fim de semana, só rolê bom. Ela chega e desentana com passo bem solto. Na festa do fim de semana.
A creative mind is a fertile land for growth.
Calm down. They are going. You have escaped.
What's it with that?
Yeah, fine girl, forget. All these people.
You think
Where my phone?
Dissolve!
They know be fine now. Baby.
Please don't baby me. Who is Precious?
Oh, see my church member now.
Your church member, what is she doing in your phone?
I don't understand.
Do you know I can break this phone?
Oh, want to break this phone?
Yes.
How much is the phone?
350,000.
Break it.
Dissolve!
My phone of 350,000. I should break it.
Yes, break it.
Because of what? Relationship.
Hello.
Hi.
Fine girl, how you doing?
I'm fine.
I'm funny handsome. Top billionaire in Ekpebun State. What's your name?
My name is Impeccable.
Wow, even your bag looks so impeccable.
Yeah.
Yeah, so can I have your number?
Okay.
Ha! I forgot my phone. My
What?
phone in the house.
Oh, don't worry. I have 10.
Oh. What is here? All right. Yeah, impeccable. Fine girl. Don't worry, I'll call you. Don't worry, I'll call you.
All right.
Yeah.
Bye.
Today now, I the be. I dey come your side.
I don't cook rice. I don't cook rice.
Dissolve! Dissolve!
Fine girl. How you doing?
What do you want?
Bros, you hear this girl voice?
Now so then they do.